What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Next Moon YT channel. Thanks for all you guys' support. This channel is getting a lot more views and a lot more subscribers. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. So let's begin. Today I have a towel fan in front of me. So this is a common fan that a lot of people have in their houses. And over time, it gets pretty dirty. So mine is covered in dust from just one season of use. Check out all that gunk that's collected in the vents over just one season of use. And this fan has been sitting only indoors. Okay. So a lot of people will just put this fan away and use it again next year. If you just put it away for the season, all that gunk inside the fan will just reduce the efficiency of your fan. And over time, there'll be barely any air coming out of these vents. So today I'm gonna show you how I clean my vents on my tower fans. And by doing so, you can save yourself a whole ton of money and keep your fan going for many seasons. Stay tuned. So what tools do I need to clean my tower fan? All you really need is just a can of compressed air and your basic vacuum cleaner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this can of compressed air and actually put it into the vents and go from top to bottom. And then in a sideways motion, I'm gonna go and spray all this out. And then I'm gonna do the same thing in the back of the vent. I'm gonna take my can of compressed air and go down the same way I would do the front and go all the way down the bottom till I hit the bottom. Another tool that you can use to spray out the dust and all the gunk inside your tower fan is a air compressor of some sort. So here in front of me, I have a electric spray gun. So this spray gun has a nozzle attachment that allows me to convert this into a air sprayer as well. So I'm gonna be using that to demonstrate. You don't have to use this tool. You can use the can of compressed air. So here we go. I'm gonna use my air compressor. So we can just blow out a little bit on the top and then slowly go down. Now I flipped it around and we're gonna do the same thing for the back. I'm pretty sure you saw all the white debris and all the dust that were blowing out. So I should remind you that you should be doing this outdoors so you don't get your homes all dirty. So here's a close-up of the internal vents of the tower fan. As you can see, most of the dirt and all the dust and the debris have been removed just by blowing it out first in the front and then turning it around and blowing it from the back. So now when next year you use this, the fan will be as equally as powerful as when you first bought it. So I hope you find this video useful. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope to bring you guys more content. So let's help grow this channel. Let's get this channel up to 100,000 subscribers. See you next time. Here's some bonus footage of another fan I have. I'm gonna clean it in the same way. Check this out. All right, this fan is good for next year.